Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a QR code for your accounts and for your stored files and folders on the Mega Drive application. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your Mega Drive here in the web version or in the desktop app of Mega. And then guys, what you want to do is click into your username in the top right or logo. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here choose settings, right? So what you want to do after that, guys, is navigate to your account settings in the top left, click into QR code. And then, guys, you will see that QR code, right? So in the first step, what you want to do is enable the QR code, because if you disable it, let me do that for the sake of this tutorial, it will disappear, all right? So you will need that to share that with your contacts and friends so that they may scan the QR code, for example, communicate with these contacts, right? Or to share your documents with them on the Mega application. So what you want to do next, guys, is, for instance, if needed, you may reset the QR code here, right? And you can also copy the QR code as a link here by clicking into this button or highlighted this link here, save it on your device, or that's basically it. So you may right click into the QR code and then check or select Save Image As, download it on your device in JPEG file format, and use it, for example, I don't know, via direct messaging services to send it to your contact. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.